So arithmetic mean the three methods we have gone through. Three methods of finding out arithmetic mean. What are the three methods? Those who were present yesterday, any one of you.
Ma'am,
Tell
direct
me
method,
what, yeah,
ma'am, shortcut method and step division method.
exactly. You have the direct method, shortcut method, and the step deviation method. And these three methods we have seen yesterday. This is actually connected. This is the base. If you know the basic one, you can do the every method. That means in the first method, x is taken as such. There is no like we are not manipulating the value of x. And in the case of the second method, shortcut method, instead of x, we will take into consideration d. That is deviation. What is deviation? You are doing something with this value x. That means you are making some like deviation to make the number a small number, because it is easy to calculation purpose. It is easy if you make it a small number. So in the deviation you will make it a small number. That is deviation from what is the deviation from what? Bolo. D means deviation from what? Deviation
Assumed mean.
from what? Deviation from the Chaitanya, bolo. Line India.
Assumed mean.
Yeah, deviation from the assumed mean. That means x minus a. Every value x, that is that minus a. That is the assumed mean. That is d. Why we do that? To make the number small and to make the calculation easy. Right? So that is a shortcut method. And in again step deviation method, again we will make this number short, smallest. Again small by dividing it with the common difference. So accordingly, the equation will also change. And the first equation is sigma x upon n, and the next sigma d upon n, and the next is a plus sigma d upon n into I. So wherever a come, d come, because assumed mean, then deviation is there. And wherever d dash is there, into I come. So that all we have seen in the individual series and the discrete series. How will you do the arithmetic mean? That and all you have seen. Today we will see it with the continuous series. Write a continuous series. Zero to 10, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And the frequencies are 20, 24, 40, 36, and 20.
Please repeat it once again.
The frequencies are 20, 24, 40, 36, and 20. Okay? So this is a continuous series. You have done it with individual series and discrete series, and here you have the continuous series. In continuous series, it is given in a class. That means in continuation. So you have to make it x in the form of x. How will you make it? Priyanshu. Camera on करके बोलो. Priyanshu. ये कहाँ? Where is Priyanshu?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या करोगे इसको? Convert it in the form of x. What you will do? Because we have done it with individual series, discrete series, there you will get a particular x. And here it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and all. So make it in the form of the previous form. What you will do? Jaldi bolo. Try. Whatever you feel like. How long I have to wait like this? नहीं मालूम?
No, ma'am.
प्रियांशु? हाँ?
Ma'am, we will take middle class, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 plus 10 upon 2, ma'am.
So why you take so late? हाँ? ना क्यों वेट करवाते हो?
Sorry, ma'am.
So you can take the mid values.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll take the mid values. That then this mid values will be, now we can call it as x. Correct? So your first step is take the mid values. Rohit, are you able to understand what I'm saying? Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
जोर से बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Mid value कैसे निकालते हैं मालूम है? How to find out the mid value, you know? Yes. Okay, how will you do it? L1 plus L2 upon 2. That means lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So half लेना है. That means in the first case, 0 L1 plus L2, that is lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. So Chaitanya, what are the middle values? X क्या क्या मिला बोलो? मिल गया चैतन्य? मिड वैल्यूज मिल गया तो बताओ. एक ही मिला? ये 7.5 कहां से आया बेटा? 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 upon 2. Second one is 10 plus 20, that upon 2. And the third one, what is the middle value again, Priyanshu?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
the middle value? What is the middle value of the third one?
25.
25. And the next one somehow?
Ma'am, 45.
Sorry. What is the next class?
Ma'am, 45 mid value होगी.
बेटा वो ये बताओ कि नेक्स्ट क्लास क्या है?
Ma'am, 30 to 40.
30 to 40, right? 30 to 40. 30 to 40, that means 70. 70 upon 2 is 85. And what is the next one? Rohit, the last one, what is the middle value? Mid value. But the mid value of the last class? Rohit? Very boring and very annoying to ask you something and waiting like this. Very much annoying. Pesa, what is the mid value? In the last class? Okay, fine. So now you got, Pesa, what happened to you? Am I audible to you?
Ma'am, I was not. Yes, ma'am.
Then why didn't you answer? You don't know how to find out the mid value. I want to know that if you're able to find it out or not. That's why repeatedly I'm asking to you. There is no other intention. I just want to know whether you are able to do it, because you are sitting, you are not in front of me. Even in the class, I can understand, yes, you are doing it. I can come to know. Now you have switched on, not you are not in front of me, and more on the top of that, you have switched off your camera and sitting like this. I am not able to find out whether you are able to do it. That's why I'm asking you. There is no other intention. So I hope you got it. The mid values are 5, 15, 25, 35, and 45. So you got X. Now, this problem is like any other problem that you have done. You got x. Next to that, you will write the frequency. Then I will ask, okay, you do it in the step deviation method itself. To do it in the step deviation method. So mainly two methods, shortcut method and step deviation method. What is the difference between two? In one, we will find out d dash. In the other one, there is no d dash. So if it is d dash, you have to divide the deviation by the common difference. And again, in the equation, you will put into I. That is, you have to multiply the answer into the common difference. So equation also change. So here, do it in the step deviation method. First, find out d as usual. Take 25 as the middle value. That means the assumed domain because that is in the center. Priyanshu, are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why your camera is not on? Are you people in a competition that we will not switch on the camera? Hmm? Not only Priyanshu, okay, only Purvi is there in this on the screen. Yeah, find it out. Purvi and Vaishnavi. Let me see. So what are the D's? Read the D's, Vaishnavi. Read all the deviation.
-2, -1, 0, 1 and 2.
1 and 2. So in 90% case, it will come like that. Okay, that doesn't means कि आंख बंद करके ऐसे ही लिखना है, but it will come in that order. Okay, that it will come like -1, -2, -3, आग है, then 1, 2, 3 like that. That is commonly, so this D dash you got, isn't it? That is D dash. Now what do you have to do? F into D dash. F D dash. That means frequency into that D dash. So in discrete series and in continuous series, you have to multiply this deviation with what frequency. That means whenever you have a frequency, you have to multiply it. किसी को आंसर मिला क्या? Anybody got the answer? Rohit? Rohit, are you there? Aditya Joshi is also not there. Time over.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you repeat the frequency? I think I've missed somewhere.
Wait a minute. It 20, 24, 40, 36, and 20. Okay, Deshna?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Answer क्या मिला वैष्णवी?
Ma'am, 5.
Sorry? 5?
मैम
हाँ,
मैम
बोलो।
25.5
25.5. और भी बताओ, और किसी को कुछ आंसर मिला? संभव, वेरी संभव। हाँ बेटा खुशी। सॉरी, खुशी स्पीक।
Yes, ma'am. 33.52.
33. भूमि स्पीकिंग, राइट?
यस मैम
हाँ, आंसर किसी को एक जैसे आंसर नहीं मिला, सबका अलग अलग है। और where the male population has gone? Very Sambhav, what is the answer you got? Sambhav, what is the answer you got? 33. Anybody else got this 33? Bhumi also got 33?
यस मैम 33.52
Is it the same? Sambhav, you also got the same answer? What is the sum of FD dash? What is the sigma FD dash? See, D dash, as I told you, -1, -2, then +1, +2, like that. And the frequencies are 20, 24, 40, 36, and 20. And moving to the column FD dash, it is -2 into, listen carefully. You will understand if you have committed some mistake. So moving to the FD column, FD dash column, you will get what is the frequency? 20. 20 into -2. Am I right? 20 into -2. That means minus
Yes, ma'am.
40. And the next column, 24 into -1, right?
Minus 24.
24 into -1. That is -24. Next column, 0. Because it is 40 into 0. And the other next column, 36 into 1. So 36. And the other next column, 20 into 2. That is 40. So you will get a sum of, क्या हो गया? You will get a sum of negative figure 64.
12 आएगा.
40 plus 24, that is 64. Negative figure. Positive figure का कितना मिलेगा? 36 plus 40, 76 मिलेगा. 76. So आपके पास है 76 भी है, -64 है. -64 and 76. So what is the difference?
12.
What is it? 12. 12 is the difference. Minus your plus.
And plus 12.
ये 12 plus है because the biggest number is positive 76. So it will take the sign of positive. Where you have gone wrong? Calculation. Calculation easy करने के लिए तो हमने ये सब किया, फिर गलत हो गया. तो 12 मिला. So now you just want to substitute it. A plus sigma FD dash upon N, capital N into I. What is capital N here? Sigma F. That means total frequency is always the number. That means N or sigma F. You can also write sigma F in the denominator. So A plus sigma FD dash upon either sigma F or N into C. What you see here? What is the common difference in all these numbers?
5
0 to 10, 10 to 20 ना? तो 5 कैसे मिला बेटा? It is 5. It is 10. कॉमन डिफरेंस तो 10 मिलेगा ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. And even see the middle value 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. पूरी कितना डिफरेंस है? 5 से 15 तक डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 10. 15 से 25 तक the common difference is 10. So a plus, 1 second, give me a minute. Now your answer might have changed.
Ma'am, 181.
181. Okay, let us see. What is
Ma'am,
180?
181/7.
That big number will not come better. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
25.85.
25.85.
25.85.
Ma'am,
25.85.
25.85 must be the answer. Somewhere between 20 25 it will come. Can you see my board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जोर से बोला करो बेटा. मैं I am an old lady. I can't hear such a voice. Okay, yeah. I hope you can see my board. I will substitute the values. You got sigma FD dash. You have got sigma FD dash. How much you got? 12. Is there any issue with this? 12. Did you get 12? Sigma FD dash. What is FD dash? F into D dash. 1 minute. It is F into D dash. What is FD dash? F into D dash. What is D dash? -1, -2, all those things. That means D upon 10. That is D dash. So if you do that F into D, and in every case you will do FD, then take the sigma. That means take the total of it, you will get 12. So in the first case, your D dash -2, then -1, then 0, 1, 2. How many classes were there? I think only this much. Okay. Then your frequencies were given as 20. Then your frequency, the next frequency is 24, and the next is 40. Then 36 and 20. So these are the frequencies. So you got the D dash and the frequency, and your next step is you have to do FD dash. That means F into D dash. So next column, you will do FD dash. FD dash, kaise? How will you do FD dash? 20 into -2, that is -40. Then 1 into 24, that is -24. Like this you will do. Then 0, then 36, then 40, 36 into 1, then 20 into, this is 40. So you will get, here you have to do the summation. That is known as sigma FD. Chaitanya, you got the answer? Chaitanya, you got the answer? No sound. So here you just, what is the summation? Here you will get, this is 64, -64. And here what you will get? 76. Why I am doing like that? This is a negative figure and this is a positive figure. That's why we are adding it separately. So here you will get -64 and here you will get 76. So what is the summation of all this? The summation is 12, positive 12, as the positive figure is bigger, just 12. So sigma FD dash is therefore 12. And now we will substitute it in the formula. The formula is A plus sigma FD dash upon N, that is capital N, or else you can write sigma F into I. So this is the formula. Here, what you have taken as A? कौन सा middle value को A लिया था? बोलो.
25.
125.
So you will write 25 plus sigma FD dash क्या है? 12. And what is N or sigma F in this
140.
case? पूरा frequency को add करो.
140.
140. I'm not going to add it. I trust you. Okay.
Yes,
Sigma
ma'am.
is 140 into I, that is 10. 10 कैसे मिला? देखो common difference क्या है? Mid values का common difference नहीं तो class का common difference क्या है? 10 का difference है. That's why we take like this. So here what you will do? This portion first we will do 12 by 140. That figure into 10. This portion you will do first. Then that should be added to 25. That is how you will do it. What is the answer of this 12 by 140 into 10? का कितना मिला?
मैम 25.85.
0.85.
वो नहीं बेटा, इतना पोर्शन का क्या आंसर मिला? वो पूछ रहे हैं, उसको अलग ही जोड़ना है.
मैम
You have to
6/7.
calculate.
6/7.
फ्रैक्शन में किया,
Yes, ma'am.
डेसिमल में किसी भी नहीं किया. ओके, दैट्स योर विश.
Ma'am, 0.8.
फ्रैक्शन में 0.8. So that means your answer is 25.86. This 0.8 that is to be multiplied with 10, right? This 0.8 here you will get, that is to be multiplied with 8. So you will get 0.8. So this should be 0.8. 1 minute. This is 0.8. 25 plus 0.8. So you will get the answer 25.8. This is the answer. This is how you have to do the continuous series arithmetic mean. Is it difficult? Is it difficult to do? No answer.
No, ma'am.
Is okay. Then so this is only one problem you have to do today. I will give you another problem. Less than 10. Less than 10. The question goes like this. Less than 10. Less than 20. Less than 30. Less than 40. Less than 50.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
10 से 50 तक. 10 से लेके 50 तक. टेन से लेके 50 तक. The frequencies are 5, 17, 31, 41, and 49. I repeat the frequencies: 5, 17, 31, 41, 49. How will you find out the middle value? Aditi, how will you find out the middle value? Jaldi.
Ma'am, first we will convert this series into the continuous form.
Yeah. So how will you write it? How it will come? First class. What is the first
Ma'am,
class?
0 to 10, 10 to 20.
0 to 10. What is the next class? Daksh. Daksh, what is the next class?
Well, 10 to 20.
What is the next class? Prakhar.
20 to 30.
Swastika, is she here? Priyanshu, what is the next
Yes, ma'am.
class? What is the next class?
30 to
Okay,
40.
so in this way, you will get all the classes in the order. So whenever you get such a particular series is given, first of you have to regularize the class. The regular manner you have to write it, just like 0 to 10. As it is less than 10, it will not. You cannot write it. Only 10 is the limit. Less than 10 means 10 is the limit. If it is more than 10, it will start from 10. Isn't it? So it is less than 10. So 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Now it is in the usual form. From this you have to find out x, that is a mid value. From here you will find out the mid value. Then write the frequencies. Find out d. Then d dash. Okay. Then substitute it in the formula. Mid values, Muskan, the mid values. Muskan,
Yes, ma'am.
read the mid values.
Ma'am, 1 minute I'm doing.
Kanak,
Yes, ma'am.
read the mid values, beta.
5, 15, 25, 35, 45.
5, 15, 25, 35, 45.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are the mid values. Mid values, after finding out mid values, what you have to do? Next to that, you have to write the frequency. Or else, you can find out D. And after that, you can find out FDOs. So it's not a compulsion. First, you have to find. Sorry? Bolo, Priyanshu.
32.8 answer.
32.8. I don't know what the answer is. एक बार और calculation check करना बेटा. ठीक है? Calculation एक बार और check करो. अच्छा, what I was saying? Yeah, it's not compulsory for you to do first D then D dash. Straight away you can find out D dash. X minus A upon 10. That's all. How you straight away how you will find out D dash? There is no need to go. There is no compulsion. First you find out D, one column, then D dash, next column. No need of that. Because now you know what is D dash. What is D dash? X minus A upon 10. In this case, it is 10. That's a common difference. X minus A upon 10, that is D dash. So here 25 again, you have taken as assumed mean. Then X minus A. 5 minus 25 upon 10. 5 minus 25 upon 10. That is 20 upon 10 minus 2. Likewise, you will do 15 minus 25 upon 10. That is minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 2. Likewise, it will go. 25 minus 25, 10. 10 by 10, 1. 45 minus 25 minus 20, sorry, 20. That upon 10, 2. So minus 1 minus 2, 1, 2. Frequency से multiply करो अभी. Frequencies are the frequencies 5, 17, 31, 41, 49.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, frequency will also be changed now because we are changing from less than to continuous series.
Yeah, very good. Very good. You are given the cumulative frequency. Isn't it? Always. Always. I was waiting for it. I wanted you to do it wrongly. If you do it, commit a mistake, then you will never commit a mistake. Because in the less than series and more than series, always the frequencies are given in a cumulative way. So we have to find out the actual frequency before you do the multiplication. Got it? Okay. So find out the actual frequency. Frequencies given are 5, 17, 31, 41, 49. Yeah, who will read the actual frequency distribution? Be very careful with such a series. Hmm.
Ma'am, 5,
22,
12,
12. बेटा कैसे 22 आएगा? 5.
40,
बेटा less than series है ना? 5, yeah.
5, 12, 14,
Hmm.
10
Hmm.
and 8.
8. पूर्वी दिया हुआ है कुमुलेटिव, हमको उसको सिंपल बनाना है. ओके, इसका सेंस क्या है? लेस देन 10 में सबसे मिनिमम नंबर होगा और लेस देन 20 में ये लेस देन 10 वाला भी आ जाएगा. दैट इज अ कॉमन सेंस. ठीक है, लेस देन 20 में लेस देन 10 भी आ जाएगा. दैट मीन्स उसमें दोनों क्लासेस का फ्रीक्वेंसी कुमुलेटेड है. सो उसमें से वो वाला निकालना है. देन यू विल गेट 5, 12, 14, 10 and 8. So this is where children do normally the mistake. I mean, you have to find out the actual frequency, then you have to do FD dash, then as you did in the previous case, you have to do the problem.